So one other quick stretch that you can do for your shoulders that's really beneficial is place both of your arms in a doorway and just lean forward. Lean in, lean forward, and just keep the head like as parallel as you can with the floor or with the body. And you lean in, you hold this maybe 15, 20, 30 seconds. Doesn't take much. And then you come out of it. One other way to do it is just do one at a time. Do one shoulder at a time. One this way, come back out, and then you come this way.
So you step forward with your foot.
Step forward with the opposite foot, and back out. So if you can do the right shoulder, you step forward with the left foot, lean in, come back out, step forward with the left shoulder, step forward with the right foot, and you bring your left shoulder.